Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use the checklist feature in Trello to make managing your projects easier, whether it's for personal tasks or team collaboration. First, log into your Trello account. Next, navigate to the card where you want to add a checklist. Open the card and on the right-hand panel, click the checklist button. Give your checklist a meaningful title and click Add. Now you can start adding tasks. Type the name of each task and click Add after each one. This way, you'll build a complete list of everything you need to accomplish. As tasks get completed, check them off to track your progress. You can also click Hide checked items to keep the checklist clean, but you can always view completed items again if needed. With these simple steps, Trello's checklist feature makes project management organized, efficient, and even enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.